Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page, watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, Euro USD analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are up. You can see the EMA prices right there. Daily I told you yesterday, and then coming back to 4 hour we are now above the EMA. Okay, so this is the high we're gonna take down. I have told you that, and maybe this, maybe even this one. Okay, so don't be shocked if this high is taken down. So we are going to continue the uptrend. That's what I have for you. Yes, I'm telling you everything for free anyway. So yes, normally people say, oh, trend is up, look for long, start a bye-bye, join my group, join my paid membership. Okay, that's it. And they are not wrong. Only I am a fool who is doing this for free. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, I told you yesterday as well. Go and watch my yesterday's video. This is your rejection. So again, the same thing I told you yesterday, or maybe this one. Okay, so this one here, you see, price wigged it and then bounced off. So we're gonna continue the uptrend. This high will be taken for sure, and this could be taken as well. So that's your TP. Now, if you want precise exactly what's gonna happen, then go ahead, join my premium signals. You click on more, and you will find all those links. Premium Forex signals. You can join the free one anyway. And if you want to, do everything on automation without reading charts or without watching analysis, and you just want a peace of mind, is set and forget, and then let the software work and print the money, check out the first link. And trust me, this is for people who are, investors. Okay, if you're broke, it's fine. If you watch my video or not, you can't make money because you're broke. Okay, but if you got the money, then without wasting your money in your savings account, take out some of the money, put it into a trading account, install my software, my EA, and let the software print the money for you. Okay, more details, go and check out on this link. So let me give you this example. For example, let's say you got, let's say, $30,000 in your savings account. Again, I'm reminding those people who got the money. Okay, if you're broke, that's fine, it's not for you. You can come back later after 5 years. So people who got the money, wasting that money in their savings account, take out some of the money from your savings account, put that money into trading account, then install my software and let the software build onto that, because your bank will never pay you that kind of interest which this software will print you money for every 6 months or 1 year, every month. Okay, so go and check this out, then only you will know what I'm saying. Subscribe, like, join all these links, join the free one, free Telegram here as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.